Hey everybody, Wade McNutt here with PianoChops.com. I'm going to talk about one key thing that you need to know in order to figure out the chords of a song, all right? Hear a song and be able to figure out the chords. Now, 90% of the time, this will work, 95%. So here's what it is. One, listen to the bass notes. Whatever the lowest notes are in the song, a lot of times, and I'm going to go off screen here, you'll hear a bass player going boom, 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 something like that. Listen to the bass note. That's going to give away a lot of what's going on, okay? Here's step 2. Learn what diatonic chords are. Don't let that word scare you. I know I just said diatonic. Don't let it scare you. Learn what diatonic chords are. All right, so throwing this up here real quickly, and there's some other lessons talking more in detail about diatonic chords, but in the key of C, we have C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, B diminished, and C. All right? And all of those have a root note. So if you have a bass player going right here going boom, 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 there's a 95% chance that if you pick out that bass note, that it's a C, that you're playing a C major chord in the song. Let's say the bass player goes up to another chord, boom, 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 boom. So you hear this low E, boom, boom, and you pick that out. Chances are it's going to be an E minor chord. It's going to follow those diatonic chords most of the time, and then it'll kind of go outside of the key in that last little percentage. Okay, let's say it goes boom, 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 and you pick that out. You use your ear and find that bass note. What's he doing? Okay, I hear it. I picked it out. It's an F major chord, and every single key has this combination of major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, back to major. Step 1, find the bass note. Step 2, learn what the diatonic chords are, and 95% of the time you'll be able to pick out some chords to a song. Hope you enjoyed that. Piano Chops, all kinds of awesome teachings for you. We'll see you later. Bye. Hey everybody, it's Wade McNutt. I have a free PDF that I want to give you. It's all about playing by ear and all the different things I've learned that goes into it. So all you got to do is click below the video, and there's a link that'll say something about PDF, playing by ear, and what it'll do is sign you up for the newsletter. So all it costs you is an email address, and then I'll send that right over to you.